Diamond pattern in Blender. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender and start a new project, or open the file where you want to create the diamond pattern. If the default cube is not needed for the project, select it and press X on the keyboard to delete it from the scene. Press Shift and A to open the Add menu. Then insert a plane mesh into the workspace. Scale the plane larger by pressing S and moving the mouse outward so you have enough surface area to build the pattern clearly. Press Tab to enter edit mode, and make sure all vertices are selected by pressing A on the keyboard. Right-click on the object to open the Specials menu, then choose Subdivide from the available options. Repeat the subdivision process several times to create enough faces for a more detailed diamond pattern. After subdividing, double-tap the A key to select all the faces again. Switch to face selection mode by clicking the face icon in the upper left corner of the viewport, or simply press 3 on the keyboard. Move to the face menu located in the top bar of the 3D viewport and choose Poke Faces. This command adds a new vertex in the center of every square face and changes the geometry into triangular sections. While everything is still selected, return to the face menu once again and select Tris to Quads, also known as Triangles to Quads. You will immediately notice the triangular geometry merge into a clean diamond grid pattern across the plane. At this stage, you can either select specific diamond faces or leave all of them selected for further editing. Press I to inset the faces if you want to create a bordered or framed appearance around each diamond shape. Finally, press E to extrude the diamonds either outward or inward, giving the pattern real physical depth and making the surface more visually interesting inside Blender. You can continue adjusting the scale, extrusion height, and inset thickness until the diamonds match the style you want for your project. Rotate the camera around the object to inspect the pattern from different angles and confirm the geometry looks even across the surface. When you are satisfied with the result, save the Blender file so the diamond pattern is ready for rendering later.